So this video is going to be about solving a limit using direct substitution. Now, some of the problems allow you to be able to use direct substitution when you take a limit. And it is only in the case that you don't have a zero in the denominator. So no zero in the denominator. And two, in the case where you don't have a negative inside the square root. Right? So if those are the case, if you don't have any of these, then you can use the direct substitution method. So in our case, for example, given this problem here, given this problem, limit of x approaches 2 for x over square root of 2x plus 1, right? So now this problem, you have a rational functions of x over square root of 2x plus 2. So you want to ask yourself, do I have 0 in the denominator if I plug 2 in for x for here? So you can check, okay, so square root of 2x plus 2 and plus 1, my bad, plus 1. And if you sum x equal to, then you have the square root of 2 times 2 plus 1, or in our case, square root of 5. So this is 5. You don't have 0 in the denominator, right? And since this is also checking, do you have a negative inside the square root? In our case, you don't have a negative inside the square root because you have a positive 5. So you are fine doing the direct substitution in our case. You may ask yourself, how about this x up here? Well, so this is a numerator, and x can be all real number. So we don't really have to worry about this x up here. So for this problem here, you can say the limit of x approaches 2 is going to be equal to 2 divided by the square root of 2 times 2 plus 1. So using direct substitution. Okay. So that's if you want to do one more step to simplify things out, you have 2 over the square root of 5. Right? Now, you can give us a decimal number for this one, but honestly, you can put in your, you can leave it as it is, right? So that is solving the limit using the method of direct substitution. Okay.